Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. I know you guys see these beautiful curls and everything like that, and honestly guys, for the first time I did not do these. My cousin did these for me. We had a sleepover the other day and I told her that I needed her to curl my hair with this new beautiful wand I got. So yes guys, this video is sponsored by DUVOLLE. Thank you DUVOLLE for sending me this beautiful curling wand. Like, listen, I haven't bought a curling wand in like months, you know, and even that one was just like a deep waver, you know, that one was okay. But this one, like, I'm loving this one, guys. This one is from DUVOLLE. Okay, they sell everything from all types of hair irons for the hair, like flat irons, different size wand curlers. They also sell face brush cleaners, like cleansing brushes that spin, the spinning brushes. They sell those. They sell different things too. Go definitely check them out. So they asked me which one would I like to try, and I decided to get this one, which is the, I'm not sure why it's not here, but this is the DUVOLLE Pro Series Professional Titanium Curling Wand. Okay, and let me just give you guys some more specs on it. Okay, and it came with this here. It came in this, and it came with instructions. It's somewhere over there, but it came with instructions that were very helpful, because at first I didn't know how to turn it on and how to keep it on, but with the instructions it's pretty easy. So this is it here. I'm loving this thing so much. I like that the cord is super long. Okay, and when you want some curly hair, when you want some popping curls, like these cute Beyonce curls I got going on, you want to make sure that you got the best curling wand. And this shit right here don't feel like no cheap shit. This actually works better than my Remington. I'm just saying, maybe because my Remington is old, but this works better than my Remington. And I just liked how it looked when she was curling my hair and everything like that. So this is the glove. It's the glove right here. Okay, so you put this glove on and you hold it and you just curl your hair. So I have a demonstration on how to use it. I did record my cousin doing it for me, so I will put that in. use it. I did record my cousin doing it for me, so I will put that in somewhere here. Okay. So I just love these beautiful Beyonce looking curls. My hair was previously curled before I used the wand, but they were dropping, and once she put that beautiful wand on it, it just like really gave me some popping ass curls. And y'all listen, the price of this, the deal that you get with my code is just bomb. Okay, so the original price of this wand, I believe, is like $100. But with my code, it takes off 70% off. My code is NEF, that's NEF 70. So it takes off 70%. And you put my code in, which is NEF 70, like so. You press go, and the price is now $37.50. Okay, I think that is worth it, and it's definitely a steal. Listen, I want to actually buy some of these. Being that I have my code, I would actually buy like one of their flat irons, because I do need another flat iron. Yeah, like it took off $87.50. That's 70% of the 125. You cannot beat that. Look, like this is how thick it is. Okay, it does have the on and off button right here, and then it has the control panels, high and low, and I believe this goes up to 4 something. Like it goes super high, goes pretty high. But again, I will show you guys. I'm gonna do another video of me actually using it myself on probably some like other hair that I have. I'll do a video of me using it on that hair. But for now, I just want you guys to see this hair. Love the curl. Love the curls. It didn't leave my hair like, you know, feeling any type of way or feeling crunchy or burnt. Like, it's a strong iron, and even when my cousin was using it on this wig, she was saying that it's bomb. Like, she was saying this shit is legit bomb. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this wand real quick. You know, why not try it? Definitely give it a try. $37. I mean, some people might say I could get something cheaper, but it's like cheaper not always better. Okay, I'm loving it. I love I like the packaging. It's all black. I like that it came with the glove. And I would say, like, I've been honestly fiending for a curling iron, another one, a new one, so I can have these poppin' fall curls. You know, these are like these pretty bombshell curls. Loving them so much. Like, are you guys liking them? I feel like Beyonce. But yeah, guys, definitely use my code. I will leave the links and everything to this product down below. Again, the code is NEF70. So get you some poppin' curls for the fall and all of that. And it's easy to use. So you just, you know. And me, I'm still learning how to curl, honestly, guys. So like these type of curls, like bombshell curls, I'm still learning how to do those. But looking at my cousin doing it, you guys will see like how she did it. I didn't show the whole thing, but I just got a little shot of her using the wand. So definitely go check it out. Not sure who's being rude texting me right now, but yes, guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to love yourself first. Keep it glamming. Okay, GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. Bye.